but you can be an opponent when you are doing your own thing, not the will of God. Yung naalala ko tong founder ng Satanist. Ako kilala niya si Anton LaVey. Anton LaVey, he proclaimed, sabi niya, that in order for you to become Satanist or Satanist in American way of saying it, just do what thy will. Just do your own thing. You are already a Satanist. That means you say, you don't have to go to the US to sign up for membership for Anton LaVey Club. You just do your own thing wherever you are. Gawin mo lang gusto mo. He's saying, you are already a Satanist. In other words, when you are doing things in contrary to the will of God, you are an opponent to God's will. When you are living selfishly, when you are choosing comfort, there are occasions as a God's follower that we have to sacrifice. Well, we have to get out of our comfort zone. But when you are trying to attain just to live a comfort life, don't get me wrong, we want all comfort life. But when God desires us not to live a comfort life because there's an element where He wants us to sacrifice, therefore, you have to get out of your way and do what God has called you to do. And that means to sacrifice. And that means you are not comfortable. Kung ano man ang pinapagawa na sa iyo ng Diyos. Another concept of being an opponent to God's will is when you are living an hypocritical life or having a false religion. Pag sinabi natin hypocrisy, buti na dito sa Antipolo, mga tao rito ay mga totoo. Tama ba? Para alanganin ko yun. I'm vouching for you guys. Come on. Tama ba? We are not living a double standard life. Amen.
Amen.
We are true to ourselves. Pag hypocritical life, yung mga tao na balat kayo pala. Diba? Or, papagkunwari. Diba?